guys, welcome back. So today's video is going to be a get ready with me. I'm kind of in a hurry. The baby is waking up from her nap any minute now. The getting ready with me for a pool party. I'm going looking for SPF products in my collection and waterproof products. I want something long wearing if I can't find SPF, or something with waterproof functionality, but Garnier Skin Active Clearly Brighter. This is the Brightening and Smoothing Daily Moisturizer, and it is SPF 15. It has avobenzone, octisalate, and octocrylene, 5%, 3% sunscreen in it. Or Mercier Foundation Primer in Protect, and this is SPF 30. So I'm just going to get a little bit of that. I understand that you can't like stack SPF, like just because I put SPF 5 and now I'm putting SPF 30, and my concealer is the Bare Minerals Correcting Concealer, Broad Spectrum SPF 20 in medium too. I understand that I can't go 30, 30, and 20, oh, I'm wearing SPF 50, like it doesn't work that way. But I just kind of want to have layers of it so that if one of them falters me, I'm still good. I still got my SPF on. And it is like 110 degrees out today. So even if I'm not in the pool, I'm going to be definitely needing it. Now I'm using the IT Cosmetics CC Plus Full Coverage Cream. This is SPF 50 with titanium dioxide and zinc oxide. I also have this in the CC Plus Illumination version. I decided to do the CC Plus because I feel like I'm going to do my own sweating and illuminate myself. So I'm just using a Jessup brand a rounded kabuki brush and blending that in. Alright, I finished that and I just tapped on a little bit more of that concealer to try to conceal what I could. Now I'm using this Bare Minerals Ready Touch-Up Veil Broad Spectrum SPF 15 in translucent. Basically just a translucent powder. I'm going to use this immediately underneath my eyes. This is a Sigma large angled contour brush. Just to try to make that concealer not crease. Concealers and contours, I had a few different options. One is the Cargo water resistant bronzer, and this is a good choice. I also have the Jouer Luminizing Moisture Tint SPF 20, and I have it in the shade Deep Bronze. So I don't know if this is for bronze skin tones or if you should use this for like someone my skin tone would use the bronze to bronze. And then there are also some cream contour sticks that you could use. You could definitely use a foundation stick that's like a few shades too dark, like the Clinique ones, or the Tarte Sculptor, the Park Avenue Princess bronzer that's got SPF or waterproof. There's also like the Benefit Do the Hula, but that isn't, they're cream bronzers. So instead I'm going to use this Cargo one, and I'm going in with that powder brush. This is in the shade Mediums. I did not have a waterproof or SPF blush. They exist, but I don't have one. So I'm using the Balm's In Stain blush, and this one is in the shade Argyle. And I'm using this because these stain your skin. They are super dark, or not even dark, they're super pigmented, and they last a long time. So they won't probably hold up to the actual water, but at least I'm doing something, right? At least I'm trying. Maybe they'll work. And then for highlighter, I didn't have a quote-unquote highlighter that was waterproof, or I think I'm going to be glowing enough, just sweat and stuff, so I'm not even going to use a highlighter today. I'm going to start on the eyes. I had a few different options. This is the Tarte Emphasize Amazonian Clay Waterproof Cream Eyeshadow. I also have the Bare Minerals 5-in-1 BB Advanced Performing Cream Eyeshadow in Broad Spectrum SPF 15, Rich Camel, so that's like a tan color. The Bobbi Brown Long Wear Cream Shadow Sticks. They don't technically claim to be waterproof, but they are. And then the Cargo Cosmetics Swimmables. The Cargo Swimmables line is no joke. This is the Swimmables Shadow Stick, and it is in the shade Sand Dune. So I can't decide what I want to do. If I want to go tan or green or purple. Alright, I think I'm going to do the Bare Minerals one on the lid first. So this is in the shade Camel. So it's basically like my skin tone, but maybe like a tiny bit more yellow. And I'm taking that all the way up to the eyebrow. I'm just blending, tapping really lightly with that finger. Probably should use my ring finger since it applies the lightest pressure, but it's all right. So that's going to like block out any discoloration that I had on my eyelids, you know, but it also gives me my SPF 15. So the rest of it, anything else I put on top of it, hey, at least I've got that base. Now I'm using the Cargill Swimmables one, and this is a bronzy shade, and I'm going to be applying that just to the lid. This is a very like natural looking kind of shades. My a fluffy eyeshadow brush in the bronzer that I was wearing earlier, and I just blended that out a little bit. So now I'm using the Bobbi Brown Longwear Cream Shadow Stick in the shade Bark. So basically this is just a dark brown, and I'm only using that in the outer V a little bit, and it is intense. Like this shade, you're gonna get some intense coverage, intense payoff. So now I'm using the e.l.f. shadow or contour brush, and I'm just, it's kind of like the tiniest kabuki I own. It's very stiff, not pointed, but definitely has like a tip to it that's a little bit stiffer. So I'm just trying to blend out that outer V just a tiny bit so it's not as harsh. See the difference? That's how when I first applied it, and this is what it looks like blended. But I am kind of creating the cat eye. So I'm taking what is left on that stick, on that stiff brush, and I'm just applying that to the lower lash line. I want to keep it a little bit on the lighter side. Guys, I did have an SPF highlighter. I just realized the Wet n Wild Color Icon Bronzer. This is in the shade Reserve Your Cabana, but it is a gorgeous highlighter. So I'm going to use a blush brush and put that on the top of the cheeks. There we go. And I can also tap just a little bit of that underneath the eyebrows. You don't need much of this stuff, but okay, I'm so excited that I had something that could work for that purpose. All right, now let's go ahead and do brows. You could definitely use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomades. These are waterproof. I have this sample. It has 4 shades in it: dark brown, ebony, granite, and ash brown. But I don't want to break into that sample. I'd rather save that for travel. So instead I'm using the Crown brand eye pencil, and this says waterproof eyeliner / eyebrow pencil in the shade Dark Chocolate. So because this is an eye pencil, it is very intense, like a tiniest little stroke, and you get an intense line. And Dark Chocolate is actually my hair color, and I tend to choose one shade lighter when my brows are a little bit intense, so I may end up brushing them out some more. But let's go ahead and go on. For eyeliners, you definitely have a lot of options. Looking at my mirror in case you can figure that out. You could definitely use many of those waterproof pencils on the market. There are tons. I love the Cargo Swimmables ones. Pebble Beach is my favorite, but I have a few here that I pulled out. I have the Crown brand dark green waterproof eyeliner. This is the same as the brand that I did for my eyebrows, Crown, but this one's dark green instead of the dark chocolate brown. Then I have Cativa's waterproof automatic eye pencil in black, or the Laura Geller ones are in, I was going to say they're incredible. It's literally called the Incredible line. This is the waterproof gel eyeliner pencil in Blue Jean Baby. I have it in like 4 or 5 shades. I really like these. So I'm going to go for the blue. And I'm just doing a thin line here at the lash line. And then I'm using my finger and blending it out just a little bit. Then I'm using a non-waterproof mascara. This is the Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect Mascara, because I'm going to use this, and then on top of it, I'm using the Bare Minerals Locked and Coated Waterproof Lash Top Coat. So you use your favorite mascara, which happens to be, for me, Essence, and then you can just use this waterproof top coat when you need it. I have tried this over different mascaras. I have found that it did not change the look of my mascara. It did not make it like very clumpy. It didn't make it look thicker. It didn't, you know, whatever. It made it a little more difficult to take it off at the end of the night, sure, because it's waterproof, but it didn't impact the look of my mascara. So I'm just going to finish my mascara, and then I'm going to apply this. I do let my regular like black mascaras dry before I use it, just to make sure that I don't, you know, blend the two. And I have noticed that this product is clear, but as I've been using it a little bit more, my black mascara shade has been tinting the clear product in the tube. So that's just something to note if that bothers you. Doesn't bother me. But yeah, Locked and Coated. All it is a mascara wand, but it's got the teeniest, tiniest little bristles. And it's a clear product. See, I'll show you. It's like pretty much clear. You can see it there on the center of my hand. But it does kind of get a tint with my Essence mascara. So I'm just going to brush this on top of my Essence mascara, and I'll be right back. Using the Kula brand SPF 30 face makeup setting spray with green tea and aloe. It's SPF 30, organic sunscreen, organic sun care, and hyaluronic acid. This one smells like acid though, and if you get it in your eyes, it burns. But if it's SPF 30, I say apply it liberally. One thing I do want to say is you can always top your favorite lipstick with an SPF lip balm. This is the Maybelline Baby Lips, and it has SPF 20. So you can always just dab, dab, dab. Should help. Even chapstick, cherry chapstick, I think is SPF 4. But the YSL Rouge Volupté lipsticks, different ones. There's like the Rouge Volupté Shine, the Rouge Volupté Sheer Candies, there's different ones. There's different cream ones. There's the sticks, like stick and oil. Some of them are SPF 15. If you want more color, I would go with a liquid lipstick and then top it with a balm, and that should help. I'm going to go with this one. This is YSL's Rouge Volupté Shine number 5. And it does have some SPF. They are not long lasting though. So keep that in mind. It feels like a gloss and it lasts like a gloss. But what I do sometimes is I'll put it on and then I'll blot it off, let it dry a little bit, and then put it on again before I leave the house. And that's like staining my lips right now. It's like seeping in. So that I'll have a little bit of like that I just ate a popsicle look rather than like painted on MAC one layer lipstick look. But I hope you guys found this video fun. A lot of the products and brands that I think you guys want to check out if you're looking for SPF or water resistant, Jouer, Bare Minerals, even YSL. They're YSL foundation. Some of them are SPF 19. Now, of course, there's still the Bare Minerals Complexion Rescue is SPF 30, and the It Cosmetics stuff has like SPF 50. So there are different brands you might want to check out on the market for SPF and water resistant products. But I hope you guys found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.